Hi there, I'm Claire Jefford, owner and certified interior decorator at Creating Contrast Designs.
And I'm Karen Dunn, and I'm a designer, and I worked with Claire on this great project.
We're here in our client's family room in Burlington, Ontario, where we did the design for their main floor renovation.
Our clients are empty nesters, but this home remains the hub of their family. They entertain a lot, and now with the addition of some grandchildren, everybody congregates here.
Prior to the redesign, this area here had a wall that was blocking off the kitchen and the family room. The space also really lacked storage, which was important to our clients, and there was no real focal point within the space, and it was really important to elevate the fireplace and make it much more of a feature.
When designing this built-in, we started actually with the need for some extra storage, of course, and the benches. We had windows on either side that we needed to take into consideration. So putting the benches underneath each window, putting some bench seating on top and storage underneath to hide the grandkids' toys really became the basis of the rest of the built-in. We added 2 tall cabinets with some closed and open storage, and really, of course, the focus is about this fireplace. We beefed up the mantle, put a good height on the fireplace, and have a perfect place for the TV above.
For the color palette, we decided to keep it light, airy, and very neutral. So if the clients ever decide that they want to change out some of their accessories or the colors that they're using, then it's very easy to do so.
The furnishings in this family room were here in the client's living room. But once we did the renovation, we decided we would work with their existing furniture, and it really actually brought in a nice variable between the contemporary design of this coastal/farmhouse feel with their traditional pieces. And I actually love how it all came together.
There's a lot of custom elements within this main floor, one of which is the built-ins that you can see here behind me. We also repeated that millwork with the cabinetry that you see, the same style, so there was some continuity and flow, as well as paneling on the walls at the front of the home, as well as leading up to the curved staircase, which is absolutely gorgeous. When you're doing custom millwork, it gives you the opportunity to do really interesting things like the mirror that we added into the front foyer of our client's home here. It's great because just as you're leaving the house, you get to check yourself out as you walk out the door, but it also expands the space in behind you and reflects the kitchen just beautifully. Our client also asked us to help her style the powder room, and it was really important for her to keep her current vanity, which was a little more traditional, but we wanted to update the look. We chose this wallpaper because it had both the gray and the warm tones within it, which work really well with the vanity cabinetry color as well as the stone flooring. As you can see, it's totally fine to mix metals. Here in this powder room, we have the oil rub bronze faucet and the silver and gold picture frames. We also created some contrast with the dark painted ceiling. From start to finish, it took about 6 months to complete this ground floor renovation. If you're considering undergoing a similar type of renovation, we highly recommend hiring a designer, and we're not just saying that because we're designers. It's really important to see your space before you renovate, and the 3D designs are invaluable. Clients love it, the contractors love it, and we can't say enough about how it's really elevated our business and helped our clients see their space before they renovate.